Dubai offers a rich blend of traditional Emirati cuisine and modern international influences. Here are 10 unique foods that stand out in Dubai's vibrant food scene. Al-Hairs, slow-cooked wheat and meat, chicken or lamb, for a smooth, porridge-like dish. Shawarma, marinated meat, chicken, lamb, or beef, roasted on a spit and served in pita with garlic sauce. Makbuz, spiced rice with meat or fish, similar to biryani. Lukamat, deep-fried dumplings drizzled with date syrup and sesame seeds. Kuzi, whole lamb or goat slow-cooked with rice, nuts, and yogurt. Saluna, hearty stew with meat, vegetables, and spices, served with rice. Balalit, sweet and savory vermicelli noodles with eggs and cardamom, often for breakfast. Camel meat, a lean alternative to beef, served grilled, stewed, or in burgers. Jashid, dried fish with rice and vegetables, popular for breakfast or lunch. Fata, layers of crispy bread, yogurt, chickpeas, and meat, creating a satisfying dish. Dubai's food scene blends rich Middle Eastern flavors with global influences, offering something unique for every palate.